Welcome in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle this Defender 130 D300 X-Dynamic SE with an eye-catching Eiger Grey Exterior complementing the LED headlights. This Defender 110 also comes fitted with keyless entry and privacy glass. This Defender 130 also comes with manual third row seats, Stepping inside the Defender now, we're just going to take a look at the Meridian sound system, as well as the driver's seat memory function, electric window controls and blind spot assist. Also coming fitted with electric front seats, as well as a sliding panoramic roof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel, as well as the steering wheel controls, which include cruise control, lane keep assist, heated steering wheel and voice control. And then coming up to that digital driver's display. Heading down to the centre console now, we've got the gear shift paddle, as well as a 2-zone climate control and the extremely responsive 11.4-inch Pivi Diamond infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the 3D surround camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Defender now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers, as well as an extra 3 in the back. Also coming fitted with Isofix and of course 2 rear cup holders. For any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.